Let's talk a little bit about scaling. So oftentimes we find images that are simply not the right size. We need to make them bigger or smaller so that we can focus on all or only part of the image. So let's scale this image so that our light bulb is almost the entire area of the image itself. The first thing we need to do is change this background to a layer. And we're going to do that by double clicking. And I'm just going to name this light bulb. Then I can hit OK. Now I'm ready to edit or scale this layer. So we have a few options for scaling. The long way would be to go to Edit, down to Transform, and then hit Scale. If we didn't want to go the long route, I'm going to hit Escape. We can just hit Command T. That'll also get us the same result. You'll notice that we have 8 boxes around the image. I tend to only focus on the corners, but we do have a box in the middle, box on the top, box in the middle, box on the bottom. Now, there's the proper way to scale, and there's also the wrong way to scale. The proper way is to always hold Shift. When we hold Shift and drag from a corner, you can drag from any corner, but only drag from the corner, then it will scale our image either larger or smaller, but it will keep the proportion the same. If I don't hold Shift, or I go from one of these middle boxes, it's going to crunch the image. So this does not keep the proportion the same. Therefore, it is not the original scale of the image. So again, I'm going to hit Command T and I'm going to hold Shift. Now I can scale my image keeping the proportion so that I get exactly what I'm focusing on. There's one other thing we should note. So I'm going to hit Command T again. Now if I hold Shift and I hold Option and I drag from a corner, it's going to scale the image from the center. Now this is really nice because it scales in every direction at the same time and makes scaling and moving an image much easier. Once you have the image scaled in the exact location that you want, you can simply hit Return and then you are finished.